Welcome to Anmol Power BI Corner, your go-to solution for Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. Today in this video, we will see how you can create a calendar table using TMDL View in Power BI in just one click. So before moving to our video, let me introduce myself. My name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a Senior Data Analyst at Eden Analytics. I've also been recognized as Microsoft Super Users and has completed PL300, DP600 and DP700 Microsoft certificates. You can check out the channel for more detailed videos. So now coming back to our title of the video, which is how you can create a calendar table in one click. So we have written a detailed blog for this on Microsoft Fabric community. So you can come to this community part and you will find out this detailed blog where we have shared how you can do this step by step, and in this video I will show you the practical demonstration. So firstly, why calendar table is required. So you can see using the dedicated calendar table we can have the proper time intelligence calculation, we can do the year to date, month to date, quarter to date calculations, we can do consistent filtering and grouping across the visual. We can also use the fiscal year handling and easier customization for week, month and quarters. So now let's directly move toward the hands-on part. So we have already created videos which shows how to enable the TMDL view. If you have not done it till now, you can check it out on our channel. So here you will find out this TMDL view option and you will have to create a new script. So I have already created one script, but let's say we don't have any script till now. So you can create a new script from this plus icon and you can see on the right side we have already one calendar table. So let's delete it for now so that we can create a fresh new table. Okay, so now you can see we don't have any table in our model right now. You can see this is complete empty. So what you have to do, you can simply go to this blog and here I have embedded the complete TMDL code. So you can copy this and you have to be very careful about this indentation part. So you can find the link in the description. I will also attach the direct link to this GitHub repository. So you can copy this and simply paste it into this TMDL view interface. And once you do this, on the top left, what you have to do is you just have to click on this apply button. And you can see one new calendar table has been created, but there is an error icon showing it, but this is not basically an error. We just have to click on this refresh now button because whenever we create a new table we have to do a manual refresh. So when you click on this refresh now button, now the calendar table is created and there is no error has been showing. To explore this you can go to the data view and you can click on the calendar table. And you can see this complete calendar table is visible to you. We have the date column, we have the year column, we have details about the quarters and month and day of the month. Apart from it, we also have the details related to the day of week name, like what is the day today, the week number, and lastly we also have the details related to the fiscal year. So this is about how you can create it, but let's say you want to customize this a bit. You don't want some column or you want the date range to be customized. So there are two ways how you can do that. Firstly, you can just click on this expand button. So here you will find out this variables. So start date for now is 1 January 2025. You can change this to any year which you want. You can also change the end date and you can also change the fiscal year start month. For now we have kept it to 4. So from here you can change it, and if you don't want some columns from here, so you can simply delete that step. So one way is here, and the another way is you can change the dates in the TMDL script which we have pasted. So this is the script which we have pasted. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find out these lines 72, 73 and 74. So you can make the changes here and again simply click to the apply button and your table will get modified. So let's say change this to 2024 and I will now click on this apply button. Okay, there are some error, so let's ignore this for now. Let's do it from here. So now you can see the dates have been started from 2024 So the data is starting from 1 January 2024 and going up to 31 December 2025. So this is exactly what we have entered. So using this you can change the data as per your requirement. So this is all, and once again, if you want to get this TMDL View script, then you can use this GitHub repository. The link will get attached into the description, and if you face any difficulty in any of the step, then you can open this blog. I will also attach the link to this blog, so you can revisit the steps which we have performed. And in case if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can simply comment down in the comment box. If you find this helpful, then like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.